Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.4 question number 7. Question number 7 is here you see that through a rectangular field of length 90 meter, this is 90 meter and breadth is 60 meter, two roads are constructed which are parallel to the sides and cut each other at right angles to the center of the fields. If the width of each road is 3 meter, find the area covered by the roads. The cost of constructing the roads at the rate of rupees 110 per meter square. That means you have to first of all find the area of the roads. How to find? Here you see this is 90 meter, this is 60 meter and the width is 3 meter. This is 3 meter, this is also 3 meter. You have to find the area of the roads. This area. Area is, what is the length? Length is 90 meter, breadth is 3 meter. What is the area of this rectangle? The rectangle is length is 60 meter and breadth is 3 meter, right? But this part is, you see, this part is counted twice. That means you have to subtract this part. You have to subtract this part. Right? You have to subtract this part to get the area of the roads. That means what have to find? That area of the roads is equal to area of the roads, area of the roads, area of the roads is equal to area of this rectangle, right? What is the length? Length is 90 meter and width is 3 meter. Therefore, area of rectangle EFGH, EFGH plus area of this rectangle. Area of this rectangle is length is 60 meter and breadth is 3 meter. That is PQRS. Area of PQRS, PQRS, and minus area of this part, that is KLMN, minus area of KLMN, right? The we are getting area of EFGH. EFGH. What is the length? Length is, you see, 90 meter and breadth is 3 meters. That means you are getting 90 into 3 and the unit will be meter square plus area of PQRS. What is the length? Length is, you see, this is 60 meter. That means this length is 60 meter. This breadth is 3 meter. That is 60 into 3. 60 into 3. And that is also is in meter square. Minus KLMN. Here you see, this is 3 meter. This is 3 meter. That means 3 into 3. Right? That is 3 into 3. 3 into 3. And it will be meter square. Right? The way I get is 327, 270 meter square plus 318, 180 meter square minus 309 meter square. Now if we add this one, that is 270 plus 180, 8 0, then we are getting 0, 815, carry 1, it is 5, 2 3 4, 450. You subtract 9, 1, carry 1, 4, that is 441 meter square, that is equal to 441 meter square. This is the area of the roads, right? The area of the roads will be 441 meter square. Now this is question number 1. Solution of question number 1. Now question number 2 is, question number 2 here is, you see, question number 2 is, the cost of constructing the roads at the rate of rupees 110 per meter square. Therefore, the cost of 1 meter square, therefore, the cost of constructing, the cost of constructing, the cost of constructing, the cost of constructing the cost of constructing of 1 meter square, cost of constructing of 1 meter square is rupees 110. Therefore, the cost of constructing, therefore the cost of constructing, cost of constructing of 441 meter square is rupees 110 multiply 441 meter square, 441, right? Now if you multiply this one, what you will get, you see, that is, if you multiply 441 by 110, that you are getting 0 0 0, and this is 1 4 4, and this is also 1 4 4, right? If you add this one, this is 0, this is 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 plus 4 is 8, and this is 4, 48,510, 48,510, that is equal to rupees 510, right? Therefore, the cost of constructing the roads is rupees 48,510. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.